Artificial intelligence has cemented its position in every field and could potentially take away about 85 million human jobs globally by 2025. That's dangerously near and has become a major concern worldwide. AI is taking over, and it's fast. In this video, we'll take you on an express journey to explore what might happen if artificial intelligence takes over our future and which industries are most in danger. So stay with us because it's crucial to be informed rather than regret it later. Let's start off by exploring how we ended up in a world dominated by artificial intelligence before delving into what the future holds. In the not-so-distant past, humans embarked on a journey marked by monumental technological discoveries. It began with the harnessing of electricity and the invention of light. Together, they became a beacon of progress that illuminated homes and powered industries, making life easier. Following this, computers emerged, evolving into the backbone of the digital age. The once daunting task of complex calculations became a series of clicks and keystrokes. The transition to computers transformed industries and how we approached problem-solving in our daily lives. The first form of artificial intelligence really emerged during the 80s, when deep learning techniques became popular, and computers started to learn from their mistakes and make independent decisions. This was also the time when the internet was slowly taking its place to seamlessly connect the world and foster unprecedented access to information. Fun fact, did you know there's a whole organization that aims to increase public understanding of artificial intelligence, improve the teaching and training of AI practitioners, and provide guidance in AI? It's called AAAI, or the Association of Advancement of Artificial Intelligence. From 1987 to 1993, the world was under something called the AI winter, where there was decreased research funding for AI development. Why? A generally low consumer, public, and private interest in AI. But this didn't stop companies like IBM and Microsoft from bringing AI into everyday life. By the mid-2000s, companies like Twitter, now known as X, Facebook, and Netflix used AI as part of their advertising and user experience algorithms. In 2011, Apple launched Siri, the world's first popular virtual assistant, and since then, AI has permeated various aspects of our lives. Today, we have advanced-level generative AI like ChatGPT, developed by a company called OpenAI, that can easily answer questions, summarize, and even create authentic text by understanding the input and answering them within seconds. All of these advancements in AI undoubtedly promise efficiency and convenience. But there is also a growing concern about their societal impact. AI is everywhere nowadays, and it's kind of a big deal. You see, it's not just in your phone or computer. It's in hospitals helping doctors, in banks making decisions, and even in cars making sure they drive safely. It's getting really good at doing things, and this endangers human autonomy. People working in different fields are concerned with its pace, because in the past, we have seen a similar situation. Those unable to adapt to the accelerating pace of technological change risk becoming obsolete. When businesses began to use computers, most of the manual data entry became automated, and industries are now being reshaped by AI-driven innovations. The concern for humanity lies in the potential displacement of workers and the risk of societal divisions. So, which sectors and jobs are most vulnerable to getting killed off if artificial intelligence becomes the prominent driver of tomorrow? Let's find out. But before that, we'd highly appreciate you hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. The graphic design landscape is undergoing a rapid transformation as AI becomes increasingly sophisticated. Generative AI-driven graphic design tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion showcase remarkable capabilities powered by advanced algorithms and can generate visually stunning and conceptually innovative designs with minimal human intervention. While some artists have quietly shared their concerns about AI models being trained on scrapping work from human artists from the internet without consent, some have been vocal and protested against it openly. The next job that could eventually be wiped out is that of translators and interpreters. Back in the day, these people had a prominent job of connecting people speaking different languages. But now we have these smart gadgets and devices that can translate languages in a snap. You just talk into them and boom, they speak the language you need. It's like having a mini translator in your pocket. Well, that's super handy. It's also a bit of a challenge for human translators and interpreters because with super smart translation gadgets, people might not need as many humans for these jobs anymore. These jobs have often been repetitive and monotonous, with workers performing the same tasks over and over. Now, AI-based robots can do these jobs efficiently and assemble products at a faster pace, leading to concerns about human workers being replaced by robots. Did you hear that there was a tragic accident in South Korea where a man inspecting a robot sensor at a warehouse was crushed to death against a conveyor belt? That's right, folks. The robot, designed to handle boxes of food, couldn't distinguish the man from the objects it was handling. This unfortunate event underscores the challenges and safety concerns associated with relying solely on AI in manufacturing. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants are transforming customer service, providing quick responses and assistance. Companies are readily adopting for these chatbots to make customer service more streamlined and quicker. It also allows 24/7 service, whereas humans need a break, right? Although sometimes issues are just too complex for even AI to resolve. So instead of helping you out, it refers you to a human support representative. The challenge is to integrate AI seamlessly, ensuring that it complements human representatives without entirely replacing them. Automated systems equipped with advanced algorithms can efficiently identify grammar errors, spelling mistakes, and even suggest improvements in writing style. The speed and precision of AI in reviewing large volumes of text are unmatched, and these programs are easily available online for everyone to use. The use of these programs makes the job quick and error-free, so people can focus on developing new ideas rather than wasting time pointing out mistakes in long text. Data entry and processing jobs involve a lot of repetitive tasks, like typing in information or organizing data. AI has stepped into this space, automating these jobs with speed and precision. Computers can quickly handle vast amounts of data, making some worry about the future of human workers in these roles. While AI, particularly OCR or optical character recognition, has significantly improved accuracy and efficiency in handling large volumes of data, the human touch remains crucial. So, it's important for companies and governments to make their workers and citizens capable enough to work alongside the evolving automation thanks to artificial intelligence. Speaking of data, you might be interested in knowing more about the world of digital hacking and data leaks. We have a video on it on our channel, so do check it out. Now let's continue. AI is progressively taking over tasks traditionally handled by legal assistants. With advanced algorithms, AI systems can scan through vast legal databases, analyze case law, and even generate basic legal documents. The challenge lies in adapting to this changing landscape, where AI becomes a primary tool for legal research, document preparation, and other routine tasks, potentially reducing the demand for human involvement in these specific aspects of legal assistance. Who knows? One day, AI could be judging cases as well. AI integration poses a substantial threat to the job security of financial and tax preparers. Advanced algorithms enable AI systems to autonomously analyze financial markets, identify investment opportunities, and optimize tax strategies. As these technologies evolve, the need for human intervention in routine financial planning tasks diminishes. The Big Four accounting firms, namely Deloitte, PwC, Ernst & Young, and KPMG, are heavily investing in generative AI, but it doesn't mean that it will totally replace human accountants. The key for people with these jobs is to find ways to evolve and make AI work for them instead of working for AI. Perhaps the most vulnerable are the junior-level software developers who are just starting out in the field. Automated systems equipped with sophisticated algorithms can rapidly and accurately analyze code, identify bugs, and even generate basic software applications. This raises concern about the potential reduction in demand for entry-level developers. as AI becomes more proficient in handling coding tasks traditionally assigned to junior roles. Adapting to this evolving landscape may require junior developers to enhance their skill sets and focus on areas where human expertise complements AI capabilities to remain competitive in the changing field of software development. So, there you have it. The future does look advanced, but it depends on how people adapt their skills to work alongside AI. It's only a matter of time before we see AI really taking its permanent place in our lives. So, what do you think the future is going to be like? Tell us in the comments. Hit the like button to show your appreciation and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.